Hey, what's up, all you beautiful people out there? It's Isai Rodriguez checking in on you, and I've got some exciting news to share with you. So, first off, big love and thanks for rocking with me on this journey. We've had, some awesome times diving into the world of network marketing together, and I'm so grateful for your support. And now, here's the latest scoop, though. We're basically switching up gears here a bit. Why, you may ask? Well, because I've been listening to you guys, paying attention to your comments, and let's just say that I've caught the inspiration bug. And so, we're going to be diving into the world of small business and entrepreneurship. And here's the exciting part is that we're in this together. A, it's not just about me sharing tips. It's about us collaborating and learning side by side. That's my ultimate goal right there. And guess what? While it may have been, I may have been offline for a bit. I've haven't been out of it per se. I've had my finger on the pulse for ever since my last video. I've been participating in various mentorship programs to up my game in different aspects of my business. So everything from marketing to email marketing to funnel building, things like that, personal development, leadership, you name it. I've been in the trenches, working it hard, and I've been sharpening my skills as they say, so I can bring you the absolute best insights, strategies, and experiences. Right? This is going to be a journey, and I'm not just your guide. I'm going to be your co-pilot. All right, and so I'll be sharing tips, strategies as I come across them, and we'll navigate this entrepreneurial landscape together. But here's the real deal: this channel is about us. All right, it's not about me. It's about us. I want to hear from you. So, what burning questions do you have about starting your own business? What challenges are you facing? I want you to drop them in the comments and let's chat about it. Let's start that conversation. Now, here's the part that really gets me all hyped up, and I don't like using that word hyped because it kind of conjures up the wrong image. You know what I mean? I want this to be a two-way street. You know what I mean? Again, if you're thinking, hey, I need some one-on-one guidance, you know what I mean? Or I wonder if this network marketing thing is for me, right? If you have those burning questions, what are they? I want you to reach out, you know? Seriously, DM me, drop me an email, carrier pigeon, smoke signal, whatever works for you. I'm a senior systems engineer by trade with one of the largest government agencies in the US. And so I've been conditioned to respond to whichever medium that you choose, whichever one works best for you. And so take advantage of that, you know what I mean? And reach out. I'm here to help you navigate this crazy entrepreneurial journey, whether it's coaching services that you're after, or you're curious about joining my growing team of entrepreneurs that are just like you in your same position, then I'm all ears. All right. Whether again, let's turn those dreams that you have into plans together. Starting tomorrow, we're kicking off this new chapter, and I can't wait to have you with us. All right. So my goal is to have a short and concise tip for you each and every day. That's gonna be my goal. So hopefully we make that goal. I'm gonna push as hard. That's one of my things is consistency. Is trying to make it, basically showing up day in, day out, and being that leader that I know that you are. We can do this together. All right. So subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know the drill. You know? All right, everybody. Get ready for some awesome content coming your way. And let's make things happen. And remember, the DMs are always open. I'll also have some links down in the description for you, so so you can click and go through and reach out to me and other details. But once we have, I don't know if they'll be there for this video or maybe not even the next. We're still ironing out some details and whatnot. And so, we're figuring this all out on the fly, basically. And I'm just going to be there running with you. Hopefully you'll be there with me. So anyway, I'll catch you on the next episode. Take care now. Bye.